Hey guys, welcome back to Maxim Automation. Today in this video, we'll see how to upload files from your Selenium test when you're executing your test on a remote machine using Selenium Grid. Whenever we run our test on a remote machine, then we face challenges during file upload. Let's say that when we execute test on a Selenium Grid, then it executes the test on any random node or VM. So we run into a situation where we had to upload a file from a local machine, the machine where our code base exists, and the files which we want to upload. For example, if we have this web page where we need to upload a file, then we need to select the file through File Explorer. And then we can select the file from the file system of the current machine where our tests are actually running. So when we run our test on a remote machine, then the file won't be available on the execution VM for upload, which causes test failures for remote machines, while it works fine if we execute our test on a local machine. So the solution for this problem is simple. All we need to do is use the send keys command to type the local path of the file in any file field. This works for all drivers. For every file upload, you need to find an input element whose type is equal to file. And then we'll use the send keys method to type the path of the file. As you can see that here we have one input element whose type is equals to file. So we'll use the same web element for sending the keys. Apart from this, we need to do is use the set file detector method to let WebDriver know that we are uploading files from our local machine to a remote server, so that it will convert the file to base64 encoded and send it through the JSON wire protocol before it types the file path. Now let's go back to the project to see how to implement it. So I'll just move to the step-def class. And first of all, we need to create the driver object using a remote driver. As we are going to run our test on a remote machine, so this is our Selenium hub, which is running on another machine. And we have one node attached with it. Since I'm going to run my test on Chrome, so I'll update the driver object for Chrome browser by typing driver equals to new remote web driver, and then pass the URL of Selenium Grid Hub in this format. After that, we need to pass the Chrome option object. So I'll just create the object of Chrome option and will pass it to the function argument, because right now I don't have any capabilities to send. And then add this statement under the try catch block. Then the next thing which we need to do is create a step definition for file uploading keyword. So I'm going to write the step definition for the keyword called then user upload file, which accepts the file path as a parameter. Then we'll write the method against this keyword, which takes file path as an argument. Under this method, I'm going to create a web element using driver.findElement by.xpath, and then we'll pass the xpath of the input field of file type. So this will create our web element object. And then we need to use the set file detector method to let WebDriver know that we are uploading files from our local machine to a remote server. For that, we need to cast our web element to remote web element object, and then use set file detector method. After that, pass the object of local file detector into this method. At last, just type web element.send keys to type the file path. So that is the only change we need to do from the code side. Now let's go to the feature file and create a scenario to use this keyword for file upload. Let's create a scenario for file upload where the user navigates to the URL of the file upload page and then upload the file using the keyword then user upload file, and then we'll pass the file path. So this is the file which we want to upload and it exists on my local machine. Copy the file path and pass it to the keyword parameter. Let me comment this scenario so that it runs only file upload scenario. Also, I'm going to update the app URL in the configuration file. So this is the URL of a web page where we have file upload functionality available. Now let's run the test to see it in action. So the execution has started. Let me drag the VM to the front so that we can see the execution. Here you can see that it opens the instance of Chrome on the remote machine. And here you can see that it uploaded the file on this web page. So this is how you can upload your file on a remote machine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.